Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syamimi Nadira binti Amaniza. So today I will present my research proposal, which is relationship between women pattern of use and feeling related toward outdoor recreation park in Malaysia. Okay, first of all, background of study. Recreation and leisure programs offer individuals many advantages, whether they participate in active or passive activities such as walking, cycling, swimming, hiking, and also reading. Women recreation and leisure time is often fragmented and typically take place in combination with other occupations during the day. However, according to study by Krinichi 2016, women tend to be physically active as they value their health and sense of independence as well as the time spent during the activities. Other than that, women were also reported to choose to spend their time involving in the physical activities in the recreation park with family members and members rather than being alone. So here, my independent variable is woman pattern of use of outdoor recreation park, and my dependent variable is the feeling related toward outdoor recreation park. Now, we move to the problem statement. Previous study in Malaysia have shown that women are engaged less in leisure and recreation activities than men due to their families' commitment and other constraints. In general, women are very busy with their position and responsibility as a mother, taking care of their children and doing the household activities and career. It is particularly a married woman. There also a shortage on participant of female users in Malaysia's outdoor recreation park. So, despite this problem, it is important to understand how outdoor recreation parks are used and their feeling related toward outdoor recreation park by Malaysian women so that suggestion can be made according to their need and preference. Now, we move to research objective. Here, I have 3 research objectives. Number 1 is to identify the pattern of use among women toward outdoor recreation park. Number 2, to identify the feeling related of women toward outdoor recreation park. And number 3, to investigate the relationship between pattern of use toward outdoor recreation park and mental health of women participation. So, next, significance of study. The main significance of this study is to increase the knowledge about the outdoor recreation park and activities that have been run in Malaysia. Second, for the outdoor recreation people, they can use this result or outcome to improve and upgrade their service to support women participation in this field. And then, the study also wants to help other women out there that have never joined and know about the existence of the outdoor recreation park that will help them enjoy their life and do some recreational activities. Literature review. Outdoor recreation is any leisure activities which is being undertaken outside the confines of building where individuals engage themselves either physically or mentally from a range of choice of activities for their personal satisfaction and enjoyment. Leisure defines as activities that are willing to do by people and the outcome are experienced. and emotional that can give meanings and enrich someone's life. Other than that, different people use recreational park and green space for a range of recreational and amenity purpose based on their needs, preference, available time and physical capabilities. It also, as stated by Humberstone, outdoor has been identified as an area for masculine activities, subsequent denying access to many women. Women outdoor recreation is also a part of leisure time of women that is usually seen as limited compared to men. Next, methodology. So, in this methodology, I have choose the research design descriptive, which is correlational. Correlational is to determine if the relationship between variable. So, it is conducted by collection information and from information describe the situation. Next, for the sampling, I have used probability sampling. The study population is among Malaysian women who have used and went to the outdoor recreation park. So, the number of population is 1 million people. So, the sample size is 384 people. It is referring to Krejci and Morgan table 1970. So, I got this resource from statistic.com. It is the number of users in sport outdoor in Malaysia by gender. Next, instrumentation. I have used questionnaire, nature of visit in recreation park. It was distributed by McIntyre, 1991. It is consists of 3 questions. Section A is on respondent demographic that have 5 items. Section B on respondent pattern of use. It has 15 items. And lastly, section C is on feeling related to park. It has 7 items. So, for the data collection procedure, number 1, I need to get permission from several outdoor recreation parks in Malaysia to do survey on their participants. Number 2, get respondent approval to do survey. Next, I will brief respondent about the purpose of this study. And number 4, I will distribute the questionnaire via Google Form to the respondent. And lastly, I will collect the data questionnaire after they are finished. So, for data analysis, for objective number 1, to identify the pattern of use among women toward outdoor recreation park, I will use descriptive analysis. For objective number 2, to identify the feeling related of women toward outdoor recreation park, I will use also descriptive analysis. And for the objective number 3, to investigate the relationship between pattern of use toward outdoor recreation park and mental health of women participation, I will use independent t-test analysis. And lastly, this is my reference for this study. So, that's all from me. If you have any question about my research, you can leave your question at the private comment section. Thank you.